What is up, guys? And today in this video, no, it is not about the Z that is sadly just sitting. It is about the car that's behind me. Yeah, this is a 1978 El Camino with a small block 350 V8. There, it'll focus. Stupid camera. No focus? Okay, well, yes. That's what this video is about. My grandfather actually moved away to another country, moving to Spain to teach English, and he had a 78 El Camino that he kept and used it as a daily driver, and he didn't want it to just go to waste, so he gave it to me. And yeah, so 78 El Camino. Let's get in this real quick. Let me grab the keys. Never owned an old car, but you have your door key and your ignition key, so that's cool. Yeah, let's get in this thing. Oh, I left it unlocked because the lock is kind of finicky, so yeah, it's an old car. Ugh. Turn on the dash lights real quick. There we go. Let's start this thing up. Turn the heater off. There we go. Oh. Oh, there, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Stay on. Stay on. There we go. Ugh. I'm gonna let it warm up real quick, but let's check out underneath the hood. I haven't even looked underneath the hood yet, but let's check it out. It's really loud, I'm sorry. Hopefully you can hear my voice. So I'm gonna roll down the windows real quick. Yeah, let's pop the hood. That's not the hood, there's the hood. I'm gonna grab my flashlight so you can see inside the engine bay real quick. There we go. Don't exactly know what that tape is doing there. I gotta figure that out. And that rag. But yeah. There we go, guys. Oh, I like that styrofoam. Okay. Throw it back, throw you guys back by the exhaust real quick, do a little exhaust rev. Oh my God, that smells really good. So there, guys. Get you guys back so I can see myself. Yeah, there's the El Camino. I'm actually gonna be removing this camper that's you can see on it right now. It's got that white painted camper, but I gotta remove that. It's an El Camino. You gotta show off that trunk. Yeah, so it's the new car. It'll be making some videos for it, and definitely gonna be coming out with videos for this. I'm just saving up right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a video about what's going on with the Z. GTR bumper, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll be uploading videos on the Z shortly, installing the heads, and then I'll probably be uploading some videos on the El Camino pretty soon too. Thanks for watching. So this first 5 minutes was originally going to be the full video, but instead I decided to kind of make like a mini vlog after this. So if you'd like to stay for that, feel free to do. It's about an extra 5 or 6 minutes. Well, obviously the rest of the video is a miniature vlog of me driving the El Camino, stuff like that. But if not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, share if you can, and new videos will be coming out very soon. I'm sorry for such a long break, just holidays and a whole bunch of other stuff came in. So if you're leaving right now, thanks for watching, and if you're going to stay for the vlog, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I started the vehicle, we're going to get some gas right now, but as soon as I turn the wheel, listen to this. So, I think it needs a little bit of power steering fluid, and I found a bottle of it in the engine bay. So I'm guessing this thing needed power steering quite often. So, we're gonna have to throw some in there. Yeah, we're about halfway, so we're going to throw a little bit of power steering into this trusty AutoZone power steering fluid that I found in the engine bay. I'm just going to throw some in there. Whee! Okay, there we go. That should be good. So, alright. I guess this is what it's like to own a classic car that you haven't worked on. So, instead of finding out where the leaks are and fixing it, we're just going to add more fluid and go to the gas station because I ran out of gas very quickly. So let's go. Alright guys, so you can't really see me, I don't think, but I'm gonna put my seatbelt on because it actually works, which is cool. Not many things work, but the steering wheel is one of them. So, or not the steering wheel, the seatbelt. The steering wheel is actually off-centered as well, so I'm gonna have to fix that because the center of the steering wheel, yeah, doesn't meet up with where it should be. So we're gonna get moving, but as you can see, oh, and I put fluid in it. That didn't change anything. And the lights need to be adjusted. They're off. Can't really tell in the video, but they're definitely off. Yeah, so we're heading to the gas station right now. Put power steering fluid in it. Didn't do anything, so that's good. I have no horn. But safety first, kids. So make sure you wear a seatbelt if you don't have. All right.
Especially on the 350 engine.
Yeah, because it's got a big old 350. Let's see the steering wheel. Doesn't work. Not lined up. All right, guys. We're heading into the gas station right now. Windows are open so the carbon monoxide doesn't get to us. Oh, there's a cat. Almost hit a cat. Oh God, that scared me. We're okay though. Cat's okay. Cat made it. Oh, jeez. All right. Left turn signal.
Works.
The light's flashing, but I don't think we have
a light bulb.
A turn. I don't think there's a light bulb,
yeah.
Where there should be one. Yeah, but we're going all right. Things are moving. Yeah. Okay, don't know what that was.
Your gas is too low.
So I'm out of gas as we're driving to the gas station. So let's make it there. The gas station's only like a minute away from my house. Yeah.
Hopefully we get there.
Hopefully we get there. I think we will.
Same gas.
Drive a little. Oh, whoa! The gas tank just went from empty to a quarter.
But that's
oh, now it's back to empty. Okay, I don't know how well this. Okay. On these old cars, do they stop filling up with gas when you go on the nozzle, or do you have to stop yourself?
You have to stop it yourself.
You have to stop it yourself? How big is the gas tank on this thing?
Pretty huge.
You think so? I honestly have no idea how big his gas tank is. All right, let's get some gas. So, just got to the gas station in the El Camino. Is it on the other side? Let's see. Oh, gas tank's on the wrong side. So, let's get back in the car and move over. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not really someone to do vlogs. I don't like them very much, but I figured it's a new car. Let's do the things that go wrong and go right with it. Hey, it started up. First try. That's good. Oh, power steering. Is it in drive? Oh, nope. Now we're in drive. It said I wasn't drive, but I wasn't in drive. Let's back it up. Oh, brakes. There's that awesome power steering doing the trick. So you guys can see what's happening. I'm not looking at the camera, so I don't know how well it's going, but oh, now you go forward a little bit. All right. So as you can see, there's a guy right here, somewhere in the video. There he is. This is Eduardo. This is my work buddy. He came to help me out because this thing had the camper on it, as you saw moments ago. But we removed the camper, so obviously we get that El Camino look, even though the El Camino is an El Camino no matter what. But yeah, let's throw some gas in this thing. Let's see how much we can put in it, and let's see how much 28 bucks gets us. This tank was basically completely empty, because as we were driving it, yeah, the car was not being responsive. It was cutting out a little bit. So the tank was basically completely empty. Put 28 bucks in, totaling 9.35 gallons. Let's see
Nothing works. Yeah.
what that'll get us, because we were completely empty. Oh, we're still moving up.
Yeah.
We're still moving. It's taking a little bit. We're almost a full tank.
Yeah.
Almost. All right, so it looks like, I'm guessing $35 will give us a full tank inside the El Camino. That's pretty cool.